Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of this is the straighten button here, so this is our leveler at this camera. By just one tap we can turn it on, and another tap to turn it off. As you can see, the yellow color suggests that now this is turned on, so let's stay on this and let's have a look at the camera preview. We can see this line now. This is this leveler, and this is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. As you can see, this is how to use this. And of course, when we don't need our leveler, we can easily go to the right corner and then tap on this button once again. So for now this is turned off and the leveler has gone here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.